Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Absolutely, let's dive into the not logical operator in Python. The not operator is a unary operator that negates the truth value of a boolean expression. It essentially flips the boolean value of the operand. Here's a simple tutorial with code examples to illustrate its usage. The basic syntax of the not operator is straightforward. It is written as follows. The not operator negates the truth value of the boolean expression. If the expression is true, not will make it false, and if the expression is false, not will make it true. Example 1, using not with a boolean variable. Example 2, using not with a boolean expression. In this example, if the user enters yes, is negative response will be false due to the not operator. For any other input, it will be true. Be careful about the placement of parentheses, especially when using not with complex expressions. The order of operations matters. The not operator is useful when you want to check for the opposite condition of a given Boolean expression. It can make your code more readable and concise. Now that you understand the basics of the not operator, you can leverage it in your Python code to make your Boolean logic more expressive and clear. Happy coding! ChatGPT